Hi, I'm soon-to-be famous YouTuber Ted Wirham. I need a helicopter. We're going out from here. This is on. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so this is good night for the night. I've said it now like a million times. And like that. Okay. See you guys tomorrow night at 8, okay? Have a great day and be safe, everybody. See you. Okay, bye.
Thanks, guys.
Bye. Alright, so that's it. We just finished the live stream. I'm so happy that you guys are with me on this and sharing this moment. Is really cool that you're writing and mentioning all or asking questions and so on. It's really cool. Right now, I'll see if I can show you guys in a better way. This is the spot that I was talking about. We got the car right here. This is the spot. So, this is where we're going from. The southernmost point in Sweden. And I'll catch you guys in the northernmost point in Sweden in a week or so. See if I can catch the ocean, right? Albert, time to go. So yeah, the trip meter is now set to 0. And then you guys are gonna see it again when I get back home. Alright, let's go. Let's go back and leave you, and then I'm going. Alright, so just dropped Albert off, and now the next stop is Norrköping. Here we go. Yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit over 1 in the morning. I made it to Fredrik's house. And now it is time to sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Okay, everybody. So we've arrived in Norrköping. This is Fredrik. He's the guy who's gonna follow me on the trip. We just spent the morning packing up everything, and we just put it in the car, and we are good to go. Had a lovely morning here. We just said bye to the family, and yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so we just stopped for... There's like a nudist thingy over there. That's where Fredrik is. I didn't have the balls to go over there. Alright, let's move on. Literally like 25 seconds away from the rain storm that you just witnessed. Totally crazy. Alright, that concludes the live stream for today. We're just finishing up here. Thank you so much for all of you guys who were there and wrote it, or yeah, chat and or wrote to me and were a part of the whole live stream. I'm gonna set you off here with the sunset right down here. Alright, so we made it to the Fjällräven outlet. So for the Fjällräven folks, this is probably the center of the universe right here. This is where you can find really good deals and a lot of good equipment at really cheap prices. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna buy some food and see if there's maybe a t-shirt or two, something like that, and then we're gonna move north. So yeah, let's go inside. I'm thinking if I should buy this one. What do you guys think? Doesn't it look good? Let's see if I can see that. I think it looks good. So I'm done buying everything I needed. I got all the food that I wanted for the trip and some flapjacks or to boost energy or something like that. And then waiting for Fredrik now. He's got a couple of things left. And then we're gonna go to Piteå. which came from Magnus. We had some barbecue, and the live stream was also sent from there. Again, thank you very much, Magnus. It was really nice that you wanted to have us over for some dinner and just see your home and see how you do it over there. Really cool dude. Go visit his channel. Now we stopped for a little break. I thought I'll show you something about Norrland and why I chose to come here and what this place is all about. Not with this camera though. Hang on, we're going with the drone in 3, 2. Alright guys, so it's a new day. It's let me just see if I can see myself. Let's see if you guys can see that. So it's 12 o'clock at night, and this is still how light it is outside. But now it's time to sleep because there is a long day ahead again in front of us tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys. It was a cold night, 0 sleep for me. I only slept with this thin USGI poncho liner. It used to do the trick, but now that we're so far up north, it was really cold. So yeah, no sleep for me, but it's time to get the day started anyway. So moving on. Alright, so we just made it to the polar circle. I don't know if you can see the sign right there. Let's keep on pushing north.
We'll see.
We have arrived at the scene, or at the place where we're going to or from tomorrow. So we're in Smygehuk. That's where we're going to start the adventure. Then I'm going on 2 to 3 nights, and then I'm going back the same way. The only difference is that I'm going to hike the way to the mountains, and then I'm going to paddle my way back on the river. So yeah, stay tuned for that video, which is coming real soon. Extremely beautiful out here. So yeah guys, we just finished the last live stream before the adventure. Got some packing up to do, and then it's adventure time tomorrow. Then I will see if I can start the movie and make some higher quality content for you guys. It's been pretty on the run and improvising everything, but from tomorrow I hope to get like a more quality content for you guys, as I mentioned in the live stream if you're watching that, if you saw that. So yeah, this is it for tonight, and then there's a new day filled with adventures tomorrow. See you there. Right guys, so right now we are in Malmberget. We went to swim in there. It was not worth it. It was not a pleasant visit. No service at all whatsoever. But at least we got clean. So with that said, we're going to Finland. Let's go. Got my hair did at least. Good morning folks, we have arrived at the parking lot and we're doing some final preparations before we start the hike towards Treriksröset. And that will conclude the end of our trip, the goal I suppose. It's pretty cold this morning, but I guess, or I assume that we're about to get a lot warmer as soon as we start walking. See you on the trail.
8, 18.
kameran då! We made it to the halfway point. We took a little break here. It's a really beautiful spot. The weather is really nice, so we're just enjoying it right now. Look at the waterfall back there. So beautiful. This is Finland and this is Norway. We're not quite sure. It looks like that on the map at least. So, with that said, we're pretty close now. Yay, we made it! No, not really. This is not the one, but it's right over there. There you go. Let's head on over there. Right, Frederick, that's it for this time. I'll see you next time.
Yes.
Take care. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this adventure. And I'll let you know when I'm back, okay?
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Love that guy. He is one crazy dude. Just this morning he yelled at a truck driver that left his car on, or the engine on, so we couldn't sleep. He went out in the middle of the night and started screaming at him. Oh my God, it was the funniest thing I've ever heard. All right, we got a live stream tonight. You guys are gonna be there hopefully. So I will drive for as much as I can now, and then I'll see you guys there. Until then.
Men nu är det slut på det, för nu ska 34 bort. Ja, nu är det slut på gamla tider, ja nu är det färdigt inom kort. Nu ska hela